So I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be, but I thought that it was quite captivating, or at least, I don't know, I just thought that there was something in there that could really work for UI elements. And you can potentially change the fire rate. Of course, if you slow it down quite a lot, you'll start to hear the individual sounds, whereas the idea behind the preset is to keep re-triggering so that it almost feels like a ever-present UI type of sound. If I had something like this as a source material for UI, I would probably keep it sustained for quite a while and record a loop out of it and then see what happened if I started pitching it down or speeding it up, just depending on what I needed to achieve.